This trading session shows exactly why I trust my strategy. It's simple, universal, and built on years of trial and error. So please keep in your mind that you don't have to complicate your trading setup and your trading strategy. Just keep it simple, stick to the rules, have a good money management, and with discipline you will have amazing results. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.